YouTube. What up, though? It's your big bro, Big Most. Listen, man, this is gonna be a little bit different, right? Last night we had a wild live stream, man, and I wasn't planning on pre-recording this episode and uploading it, but after the reaction that we had, man, I had to do it. I had to double back, so I downloaded the live stream and clipped this part of the live stream just for y'all. Check it out.
Come on now, dawg. Come on, man.
Dalen, you 50K in the hole. I need you to stay focused, brother.
Lord have mercy. We must stay focused, brothers.
Sympathy, Kuda, Kata. Jesus. They kicked her off so they could hunch. Yep. Diesel gives Angelina a dinner date the homeless way.
What? What the fuck?
What? Hold the hell up. Hold the hell up. Hold the hell up. I didn't know what I was looking at when I seen this. I'm like, what am I looking at? I couldn't tell. This ninja got a tablecloth set up over the truck bed.
Diesel.
Are y'all gonna try to tell me that Angelina is the type of woman that can appreciate this shit? Nah, Ninja, it ain't the thought to count. Think of something else. Think of something else. A picnic.
Diesel. What is this?
Well, I said I was going to take you to a place. Here it is.
And then what's that on the back? Got the truck bed cover lifted up with plastic hanging from it. Is that so they can hunch in the back? Is that for hunching in the back? The privacy hunching? Where the chairs at? Where the food at?
This is what I wanted to do for you. For everything that you've done for me. What's wrong?
Oh, wow. I've done so much. For so many years, for so many, I've had.
Where's the food? Where's the plates? Where's the silverware? This is pissing me off.
Tough to keep my family's business together, keep my husband together, keep my daughters on track, to work through the infidelity, the problems.
Hold up, man. I need a closer look, y'all. Okay, I see a cooler. So there's what, maybe a beer or something in there? Is that it? Okay, I see a flower with a vase. I see what looks to be a flashlight in the background. Oh, two flashlights, excuse me. And then what looks to be like a pillow and a comforter for hunching in the back.
The problems, the situations. But not one person has ever seen me feel like you see me.
I do see you. And as a token of everything you've done and everything you deserve, I want to wish you away from all that. And I want to do this for you.
To homelessness?
Oh!
To what? Nigga, Skid Row?
Oh!
Alright, I'm chilling. Let me see.
Token of everything you've done and everything you deserve, I want to wish you away from all that.
What do you mean by that?
And I want to do this for you. Will you join me in dinner tonight?
Diesel, that ain't the road she wanted you to have.
My
Said
lady.
this is all she deserves. Damn,
Yeah.
man.
I can get up there, but
Oh, no. If you don't mind.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
If you don't mind. I know it's cold out here. I brought a blanket for you.
wow, you thought of everything.
Yes, I did.
Put this back here to keep my buns warm.
We're gonna have
What are we
dinner
having?
my way.
Oh my God.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Come on now, dog.
I have not had peanut butter.
No, don't forget.
Oh wait,
Peanut butter and jelly.
that's the old school Welch's. I didn't even know they still made this stuff.
Yes.
How about that?
I'm done. Oh. Learn a thing or two. Learn a thing or two is crazy.
I'll do the jelly. How about
Do the
that?
jelly, I'll do the peanut butter. Because the peanut butter reminds me of me.
Nutty?
He said I could smell the poverty.
I can smell it.
Listen, man, there is a way to do broke shit. This ain't it. This ain't it. Look at
Calm and collected, coming out hard.
Oh man, I hope Angelina lives in Bethany's neighborhood, cause I need homeboy to pull up right now. Right now. Oh, Jinx, he is homeless. What he supposed to do? T-Dub, you live in Atlanta. He could have put her in the car, took her ass down to, what, Piedmont? Took her down to the park, threw down a blanket, you know what I'm saying, a couple pillows, you know what I'm saying? Had the sandwiches already made, nigga. The nigga could have stole some decent roses.
Touche.
Oh my goodness.
Out here in the freezing cold making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
In my driveway, I've never seen this driveway look like this. Or even from this perspective. To be honest, I've never even used my driveway.
Never even used your
inside
driveway?
the garage, you can see it looks like a...
This nigga is building the sandwich on the spot.
The Walking Dead.
All right, well, I'm gonna let you know right now. I got a little peanut butter on my finger.
Okay. You're free to lick that.
I was about to say, nigga, if she licked that peanut butter off his finger, I would have shut this stream down without warning.
Off if you need to. I'll hold this.
Thank you.
Yes, there you go. I would have used the back of
We're
that,
gonna-
but I'm gonna see how you do it.
We're gonna make you the jelly because you're sweet. And this sandwich would not taste as good as it would be if you weren't here. This right here is me, this is you, and this bread is life. It's the closure.
This nigga is a great actor, bro. Look, they got me cussing. They got me cussing right now. This nigga is one of the greatest actors of all time because he pulled this shit off flawlessly. I can't believe this. I'm mad y'all didn't tell me to record this. I am pissed y'all didn't tell me to record this.
It's the closure.
Oh my God!
I'm gonna eat about 4 of these. I just want you to know.
He ain't even hit all 4 corners of the bread with the spread. You know what I mean? Like peanut butter sandwich sagging in the middle. You know what I'm saying? Heavy in the middle.
And eat it in peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh my, it's like mainly the jelly part.
Oh, you know I got some. What the fuck? Got the bubbly. It ain't really the bubbly, but
Not the Tahitian treat.
Tahitian treat.
oh, we making a mess. We got jelly all over the place.
That's all good. I'm gonna go grab some napkins from inside.
This don't exist. This house don't exist.
Okay. So
We in the bushes.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
She got a inch of peanut butter and jelly combined. Now you homeless too.
Cool, calm, and collected, coming out hard.
Oh my God, Will, this is the bomb. Okay.
You see him in there?
Look at him poop.
Angelina, why didn't you touch that? Angelina,
I mean,
you need to put that back.
I feel like you should have been dropped that shit by now.
Just put it back.
oh, I mean, okay, but is there?
Angelina, put it
Are
back.
you sure? I didn't even think much of it. I just saw it and I thought it was beautiful.
Angelina, my father bought me that saxophone. She got sick. I played it for her. And every time I played it for her, she said it made her feel better. And I'm not even good at playing it. I play high school level.
Somebody check on Angelina, boy.
She still let me play it. Eat my way through every note. And then when she passed away, I didn't want to see it no more.
But it's in your truck.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
It's all right.
Run.
Just take it away from me, please. All right?
I'll put it back.
He needs some milk.
This man is wild of a character as they've made this man. The acting. Chef's kiss, man. This nigga's a great actor, but this character is wild.